So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to automatically mute your microphone on Zoom. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your Zoom desktop application, and then you guys will need to open a meeting or you can join a meeting. Now I will start a meeting right away. So guys, as you can see, I have entered into my meeting. Now if you select this button right here, then your microphone will get started automatically. And if you want to mute this microphone automatically whenever you select that button, then what you need to do is, first of all, let me just aside it. Now you can see this settings icon right here on the top right section of your Zoom desktop application. Now you need to select this option, and now you need to select this audio section right here. Now you need to scroll down till the last and you can see this option right here which says mute my microphone when joining a meeting. Now just select this option and cross it, and now guys, let me just start a meeting again by selecting this option. So guys, as you can see that my microphone is now automatically get muted. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.